Yeah, what's going on? What's going on, man? Yeah, this is gonna be another new analysis for me. Okay, been happy about the last analysis about the EU and USD. Everything went fine, except that I still have my second position right in. But let's go. We have to be, we have to be fast on this before these moves will go away. Now, we've seen something right here, a bottom right here. Okay, we've seen a bottom right here. This is the recent bottom, and then we've seen a kind of uh, deviation. Let's put a box here. There's a deviation from this zone. You understand? This thing right here. Okay, these moves that came from this up, it's supposed to get into this box of 0.618 retracement. Okay, but it only got to this 0.50 and then bounce up, giving us a proof it's going up, and it bounced above our own moving average red line. Okay, all these moves overall shows that the 0.618 is forgotten. It decided to turn around at 0.50. Then we are going up. Okay, I think that's a kind of Gatling pattern that is formed in there. So that's why that moves come. Now, what do we do? What are we gonna do right now? The main impression here on this is to buy, and I think if we're gonna buy, you know what? Let's put a box right here. Maybe you can see. Let me paint this box a green one so that you can see it properly. Okay, we get a box. We get a green box in there. I just want you guys to be able to see it properly. We get a green box right here. I hope you can see my green box. This one, that's my green box. Okay, we get a green box and we buy right here. Not we buy, okay, we make a pending order on this green box right here. Okay, a pending order on this green box right here. Okay, now let me do it so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. I want to go with a very small tiny lot. Okay, a small tiny lot. I'm gonna pen the kind of order right here on this green box right now. Okay, I'm gonna buy a buy stop order on this green box right now, as you can see. So now the target, okay, although we're gonna make a new high, okay, because of this retracement, we're gonna make a new high, but I don't really want to depend on that right now. You see, the take profit I'm gonna hunt right now is it's gonna be this resistance number 3, which is 1.86, 86 313. Okay, the idea about this is that we're gonna break this box, this thing, and create a new high. Okay, but I don't really want to believe in those things. Okay, just because I know that's what the move is gonna be all about. So before we ever go break it, we get out at this zone right here. Okay, so when you think about your stop loss, I don't know, you can put your stop loss below this zone right here. Okay, all right, or you can wait to break even and lock your break even. Whichever you do is okay, but even if you put your stop loss around here, this move here, this one has already proved to us that we're going up. So take care and thank you. This is a fast one. Thank you.